Good morning, middle school. This week, we invite you to join us for a PRAK attack. PRAK stands for Practicing Random Acts of Kindness. And we are going to do 5 acts of kindness, one each day. And we invite you to offer your ideas for PRAK attacks. Today, we have one set up and ready to go. So, Lou, tell about it.
So, we have some old toys that we don't need. So, we have this truck, and inside the trunk there's a card game, and then we have some dress-up toys, and there's a couple things in the truck, like this.
Okay.
And so we wrote them a note so they kind of know.
So this is for our little neighbors, preschooler and a toddler who live across the street from us. What's the note say, Lou?
We are done playing with these toys. We hope you enjoy our PRAK attack. Practice
Random
attacks of kindness. XOXO, your neighbors, but which ones?
Which one? So we're going to leave a mystery for them too. We'll put this in here and then, come on, let's go across the street. All right, here we are, across the street. Go for it. They're going to sneak up to the doorway, and they're going to ding-dong ditch them. Okay, ring the doorbell. All right, good job, guys. We'll see you tomorrow for our next random act of kindness.